In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install games from the Google Play Store to your Google TV or Google TV streamer. So the first thing you want to do is go to the search icon in the top right corner, and then we're going to go to search. Now you want to type in Google Play just like this. So we're going to type in Google and then space and then play. And then once you've finished that, you can go ahead and select the search icon in the bottom right corner like I'm going to do now. So this is going to open up Google Play. So what I recommend you do is go up to the top and then navigate over to games. So here you're going to see featured games as well as ones that are categorized. So in this case, I'm just going to select one of these top games. And when I select it, it's going to ask us to install. So once it's finished installing, you can go back to download other games, or you can select play to play the game. Now, it may ask you to set up an account if you've never played a game before, but it looks like for this game, I can just play right away. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.